All right, welcome back to a video series looking at analyzing home mortgage payments and home mortgage loans and interest using Google Sheets. So as a quick review, you want to buy a $390,000 home, but you've saved 10% for down payment. So your initial debt's $351,000. You get a 30-year fixed annual interest loan, 4.5% annual interest, and that's compounded monthly. So in the last video, we came up with the recursion sequence right here that models your debt over time. Previous month's balance plus the 4.5% divided by 12 due to that monthly compound times your previous balance, and then minus your monthly payment. And we had Google Sheets goal seek determine that monthly mortgage payment that will pay off the debt to be about $1,778 and 47 cents. So that this was done right over here, $1,778.47. Okay, the next question on here was how much of your first month's mortgage payment goes towards interest? So that first month you paid $1,778 and 47 cents, but how much of that actually went towards your debt versus interest? So how we get that is I'm going to write up here, maybe I'll go still down, equals, I want to find the difference between these two. Your initial debt minus how much you owe after the first month is $462. So this is the amount right here. Amount went towards your balance. Let's go over that one more time. What I did right here in this cell is subtract your initial debt minus how much you owe after 1 month. This in the purple cell right here B3, that's how much you owe after 1 month. Subtract these two, find the difference to get $462. This is the amount that went towards your balance, but you paid $1,778 and 47 cents. So what I'm going to do is take your monthly payment and then subtract how much you went towards the balance, and $13.16.25 cents. This went towards the interest. So out of your first payment, most of it, 3/4 or so of it, $1,300, went just towards interest. So I'll kind of summarize that here. Debt after 1 month is $350,000. 537, and I'll round that to 78. But you paid the $1,778 and 47 cents. So since your debt only went down by the $460 and 22 cents rounded. That comes from right here. Then 778.47 minus 462.22, which is equal to the 1316.25 of your first mortgage payment went towards interest. And there are other ways of computing this, but I like this approach. If you have a spreadsheet, you could just subtract your debt. So actually at any month, you could just take after 10 months, take your debt, subtract it, how much total is paid off your debt, and then how much total did you pay. So question C, how much total interest did you pay on the mortgage loan? Okay, so I want to do two things, total amount paid, and I'm going to not count the down payment. If you wanted the total amount paid, it would be the 1778.47 times 360 months. So I'm looking at the column. Total amount paid. Again, we're not counting the down payment, but it's going to be your monthly mortgage payment times 360. So we have this to be about You paid about $640,247, and we'll round that to 56 cents. Again, that's your total amount paid. That's not the total interest. Total interest paid is the total amount paid minus initial debt amount. So if I want to figure that out, I need to take the 640,247.56. And how much was the initial debt? $351,000. So this is going to be the initial, or the total interest paid. Now just type equals your total amount paid minus your initial debt. And there we go. You paid $289,000 roughly in interest. And 56. All right, how much do you owe after 20 years? So I'll write after 20 times 12, which is 240 months, you would owe, and here we don't actually need to do any calculations. We have the spreadsheet. I just need to go over here and go down to month 240. There it is right here. This is what you owe after 20 years. This is only paying your minimum monthly payment. So you would owe about $171,000.